Okay, welcome back. This is just an attempt to rejuvenate this shoes. The first step is to, and I got some of these tips from another YouTuber. He says we're gonna moisturize the leather by putting it in water for 15 minutes. So that's what this is. The leather shoes have been soaking. What we're gonna do now is take them out and stuff them with these towels. Also, we're gonna use these shoe trees to create tension inside the shoe and stretch the leather so that it gets rid of the wrinkles. Okay, so I just took the shoes out of the water and I stuffed one of them. This is stuffed with towels and shoe tree, and I actually tied the shoelaces as tight as possible. This I'm gonna do this one next. I just wanted to show you a little bit of the contrast. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take advantage that it's that the leather is stretched to actually do a coating of paint, and I'm gonna use this black leather dye, and hopefully I get a good finish. So I'm just gonna apply one coating of this. Here's the second one. Okay, so to give you an update, so far the shoes have been painted twice. I removed the shoelaces and I painted the tongue. The shoe tree was taken out, and the shoe seems to maintain its shape. It's not wrinkly like it used to be. So after sitting like this for about at least 24 hours, I'm gonna apply the leather finish, and I picked this because it's supposed to be water resistant. It's gonna give it kind of like an acrylic finish to the leather, which some people might not like that because you lose the sensation of natural leather to your touch. But these are shoes, so that's not important to me. What's more important to me is having the shoe have a little bit of water resistance. So I finished with a very generous coat of the leather finisher. It looks excessively shiny. But the reason I got this leather finisher is because it's supposed to be water resistant. So altogether, this is a good result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.